Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your MetaMask wallet. First, understand that your secret recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase, is the master key to your digital assets. It's a unique sequence of 12 or 24 words that you received when you first set up your wallet. Keeping this phrase secure and private is paramount, as anyone with access to it can control your funds. Let's get started. To begin, if you don't already have it, install the MetaMask browser extension from the official website. Once installed, click on the MetaMask icon to open it. You'll see an option to import wallet or create a new wallet. Choose Import Wallet to start the recovery process. After that, you'll need to agree to the terms of use to continue to the next step. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your secret recovery phrase. This is where those 12 or 24 words come in. Type each word precisely as you recorded it, paying close attention to spelling and the exact order. It's crucial that there are no errors, as even a single mistake will prevent successful recovery. Double-check your entry before moving forward. Finally, you'll need to create a new password for your MetaMask wallet. This password will be used to unlock your wallet on this specific device. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm your new password, then click the Import button. Congratulations! Your MetaMask wallet should now be recovered and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.